Hello, welcome to start the new topic, which is topic 6 of this course. And this topic is from the 11th chapter of the textbook, Construction Job Site Management by William Minks and Hall Johnston, 4th edition. So the topic title is Project Quality Management. The objectives of this topic are this topic discusses quality, its definition, its relationship to the overall success of the project, and the methods to implement continuous improvement plans. The objectives of this are as follows. Quality as a key component to successful project. Quality as it relates to construction. Typical elements needed for quality management programs. The concept of total quality management. The essential points a company must integrate into quality program as defined by Dr. W. Edward Deming. So Dr. Deming's theory on quality management is very famous throughout the world. A quality management plan, codes and inspectors and their roles, as well as testing agencies, and a flowchart of the building permit process and the typical forms of flowchart. So as an introduction, we can say that the construction industry often defines quality uh, as a conformance to standards and specifications. In current quality management terminology, though, quality is defined as meeting or exceeding the customer's expectations. So for instance, the uh, construction documents may call for certain models of door closers or on doors in the building. So quality is not related to price. A relatively low priced item can be installed in a quality manner than when that item is installed properly in accordance with the manufacturer's recommended procedures and it functions as intended. So the quality management is can be defined as a continuing plan to provide quality work in every phase of the project. So many contractual relationships emphasize quality assurance or quality controls. So quality assurance normally refers to a plan to achieve uh, quality, and quality control refers to inspection, testing, and necessary remediation. So quality assurance, the difference between the quality assurance and quality control should be understood very well. So as the quality control is the inspection, testing, and necessary remediation. So how to define quality in the construction process? So the three primary elements of a construction project are cost, time, and quality. So quality is one of these three primary elements. So all three of these elements are interdependent on each other, uh, as it can be seen by this iron triangle as well. So if there is pressure to keep cost down, uh, uh, then the quality may be impacted. If there is a considerable time pressure, both cost and quality will be impacted. So this figure indicates the interdependency of these three elements. Okay, let's talk about the total quality management a little bit. Total quality management is a process of bringing quality to the construction project. The quality of a construction project is the product of innovation, quality improvement, and productivity improvement, implemented by an individual and responsible workforce. The concept of total quality management comes from the work and leadership of the late Dr. W. Edwards Deming, whose formula for a company's business success is based on the relationship between improved quality and improved productivity. A successful project then would have the following elements: installations executed properly, one time only; teamwork among project participants, including field management, skilled craftspeople, and subcontractors; commitment of all who are involved to accomplish the task as efficiently as possible; recognition of the quality of the project by the customer and potential customers, ultimately resulting in increased sales. So, the total quality management in general has a few steps. So, the process of continuous improvement, or the total quality management process, generally is defined by the six broad steps. So, make suggestions for the areas of improvement, break down into parts and provide measurement tools, create solutions to suggestions, implement and observe solutions at work, acknowledge individuals and award their ingenuity, and incorporate solutions on a broad scale. So, to implement the continuous improvement process, management, staff, and individual employees must understand the building blocks that constitute quality. So these building blocks are construction work activities made up of smaller components, quality defined by client satisfaction, elimination of rework and mistakes uh, achieved by prevention, quality measured by attaching costs, quality improvement pertaining to productivity, quality improvement through individual commitment and teamwork. Uh, besides besides the Deming's essential points for the total quality management are, so the Deming's essential points for a company's must for a, the Deming essential points a company must integrate into its system to become successful in total quality management are: create consistency of purpose to improve product and service plan to stay in business; adopt the new philosophy, stop tolerating poor quality; cease dependence on inspection to achieve quality, which means that the process should be improved, not like depending on the inspection only. And the practice of awarding business on the basis of price tag alone. One should seek longer term supplier relationships and reduce the number of suppliers. Constantly devise and implement improvements for every process in the systems of planning, production, and service. Uh, then institute modern training for everybody, institute modern methods of supervision. Um, the responsibility of foremen must be changed from sheer number to quality. Drive out fear, encourage employees to speak up, uh, break down barriers between departments, eliminate slogans, exaltations, and targets for the workforce, remove barriers to workmanship, uh, poor supervisors, poor materials, inadequate equipment, lack of training, and so on. Also institute a vigorous program of education and self-improvement for everyone, and then require commitment by all employees to accomplish the transformation and create a structure of top management that will stress the use of aforementioned points. Yeah, next we will consider about discuss about the quality plan. So the goal of the quality program should concentrate on continually and consistently improving the quality of the constructed product. Some objectives of the quality management program could be following: increasing and maintaining customer satisfaction with construction work, decreasing defects in the construction work, decreasing amount of warranty repair, maintaining quality work consistently from project to project and crew to crew, and obtaining efficiency in the construction work and constantly and consistently doing it right the first time. Okay, consistently doing it right the first time. So in order to complete this, achieve the objectives of this quality plan, the plan, do, check, act methodology is followed on. So the quality management program uses a continuous plan, do, check, act methodology for implementation of the quality management program, as is shown in this figure. The use of this program is a continual cycle, applying lessons learned as it progresses. So we will see about this plan, do, check, and act aspects one by one. So the plan phase includes the full plan of the company's program as well as the plan for the particular project's quality management. So the company's quality management plan should be a detailed written plan that covers the following areas. So in this plan, there should be company commitment to quality management plan. There will be an establishment of a quality director and or a quality committee. The definition of the quality responsibilities throughout the company structure will be established. All management positions and field labor positions should have responsibilities within the quality management program that need to be defined within the written plan or manual. Similarly, in the planning management of the quality management uh, program, the plan should address the process of the quality management program within the company and its interaction with the company policies. Also, the identification of relevant requirements, codes, and standards for the work. So, construction has many sources of directions for the correct materials and methods of installation. So, this information can be found in regulations, building codes, project construction documents, industry standards, manufacturers' recommendations, and company standards. Also, the identifications of the materials needed for the construction work, their source of supply, and control of the material to provide a quality installation. Similarly, the plan will also include procedures for subcontractors to comply with the quality management program. Subcontractors are responsible for a large portion of the work and need to be involved in the quality management program. The procedures for assuring that the subcontractors have proper conditions for the optimal execution of their work, that is also needed. Uh, Another aspect of the plan is the identification of labor attributes necessary for the work, such as training, experience, and certifications. Formulation of the method to correlate employees with the necessary training and experience is also required. So we will continue in the next video clip.